Moms, let's be real. Life is already a full-time job. Between school runs, dinner, laundry, and everything in between, who has time to figure out complicated online business? But here's the truth. You can build an income from home without burning out or missing out on your kids' childhood. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 most common online business models and why most moms struggles with it. And at the end, I'll show you the one that gave me freedom, flexibility, and income, all while being present with my kids. Quick question before we dive in. What would an extra $500 to $600 a month mean for you and your family right now? Groceries? Bills? A vacation fund? Drop in the comments, I'd love to know. If you're new here, my name is Mary Jane. I'm a girl mom of 2, and as a 9-to-5 working parent, I used to feel torn between providing for my family or creating memories with my kids. And for the longest time, I thought my only option was to sacrifice time with my kids for an extra income. But once I learned about online businesses, everything changed. So today, let's compare the 3 most common online business models that people try online, which is affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and network marketing, by looking at upfront cost, scalability, fulfillment, risk, and difficulty. And then I'll show you what actually works for moms like us. Number 1, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing means promoting someone else's products and earning a commission from it. The upfront cost, it's cheap to start, but you will need more time to create content or more money to create ads. Number 2, scalability. Commissions are small. Sometimes you're earning between 3 to 10%. And you have to sell a lot to see 500. Number 3, when it comes to fulfillment, the company ships the product and you have no control. And number 4, with risk, platforms cuts commission all the time. People lost 50% overnight when Amazon slashed theirs. And number 5, difficulty. It takes months of content building or ad testing before you actually see results. And moms, if you ever clicked on an add to cart from a link online, put yes in the comment because you have been part of affiliate marketing. Part 2 is drop shipping. Drop shipping sounds attractive, but it comes with stress. Upfront cost, no inventory, but you will spend on ads and software. With scalability, profits are tiny. They're either $5 to $10, and that means 100 plus orders just to cover bills. And with fulfillment, suppliers are often from overseas, which means long shipments equals angry customers. And when it comes to risk, you handle refunds, return any PayPal freezes, it will wipe you out. And when it comes to difficulty between customer service, ad management, and your 9-to-5, it's exhausting. So be real with me. If your order takes 30 days to get to you, would you order again? Put yes or no in the comments. Part 3 is MLM or network marketing. MLMs are another common path but are tough for working moms. Upfront cost, you often have to buy products to stay active. With scalability, you only grew by recruiting others. With fulfillment, the company controls the products, the customer, and the structure. And when it comes to risk, if they shut down or change the rules, you could lose everything. And with difficulty, most moms don't want to bug their coworkers, family, or friends after a long workday. And finally, here's what works for me. Digital marketing with massive resale rate. Here's why moms love it. 100% profit, you keep every dollar. A done-for-you setup with websites, emails, funnels already built for you. And no inventory, because who needs piles of boxes in their living room? And number 4, my favorite, flexibility. See, I was just like you, exhausted, overwhelmed, and feeling guilty of missing moments with my kids in order to provide. My turning point came when I saw real moms earning online and experienced my first sale while still at my 9-to-5 job. It wasn't magic. It was a system designed for beginners. So if I could do this in the middle of mom life with laundry piles and school pickups, you can too. And mom, what would you do with an extra $900 in your pocket today? Let me know in the comments. So we've covered affiliate marketing, drop shipping, and network marketing. They all come with major downside, right? But if you're a mom looking for something simple, flexible, and profitable, digital marketing with Master Risa Wright is the way to go. So make sure to grab the Freedom Guide in my bio or watch the free class in the link below. If you found this helpful, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.